Sorry about that. Guess that's why they call me junk food. What about you, little puppy? Do you like burps? Yeah, that's what I thought. What's your deal, man? Do you like burps? How about a kazoo? You like that, huh? How about a horn? Time to show these beagles who's boss. Whee! Whoa! Haha, pay attention, kid. Whoa! Wee! Yeah! Too slow! Smell you later! Oh, hello there! Come on, just let me love on you! Ah, made you look! Miss me! Hey, Penny, nice of you to join the party! Man, you're too rough for me, I'm getting out of here! I'm back! Whoa! You'll never get me! This is why they call it fast food! Man, I'm tired. I gotta go take a nap in a refrigerator or something. See you guys later!